Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for July 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here we should have between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair, makeup sort of products. As always, if I don't know if something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I will put that on the screen right here, as well as the estimated sample value of each product if it's not full size. If it's full size, I will of course put the full size value. But yeah, I will do all the research to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, I've mentioned this like in every video I've been filming, but I'm in a new setup because my husband is working nights, so I'm in my guest bedroom so that he can sleep peacefully in our bedroom where I normally film. And all my videos are super late this month because I had family in town at the beginning of the month. I think I covered everything. I've talked about it. But I feel like if this is the first one you're seeing, I just have to keep saying it. So that's what's happening. Okay, let's just go ahead and open the box. So right when you open it up, it's going to have this little like brochure pamphlet thing. It's going to have like everything we're getting in here, its full size value, and why a particular editor at Allure magazine chose the item to be in here. It feels pretty heavy this month too. Okay, so let's just go ahead and pull out these like sheet masks I'm seeing. I think that's what this is. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this first thing is not a sheet mask. This is a acne cover patch. So it is, so it says clean and dry the troubled area, remove the film and stick on the target area, remove after it turns white, replace as necessary. Minimum is 6 hours, so something you wear overnight, I would assume. That is so interesting. It says it's not tested on animals. I don't typically deal with acne, it's just something I've never struggled with. But when I wear a mask, not because I have to wear a mask like all day at work, and I've been getting some like pimples, I guess, down here. So if I get one that pops up, I might use this just to give it a try. If I don't need it though within like a couple months, so I'll just give it to somebody else. I don't struggle with acne. I know it's like a blessing, I guess, but it's just something I've never really had to deal with. I think that's just an ad though. So yeah, I don't think this is just sort of like a bonus item in here because there's like a big ad for it on the back of the little brochure. So that is just something bonus, I believe. Okay, let's pull out there is a mask though, so let's talk about that. This is the Charcoal Pore Care from Lapkos. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. It is K-Beauty, so if I'm able to find out if it's cruelty-free, I will let you know, but sometimes I have trouble with K-Beauty. Just trying to understand what this does. Charcoal typically like pulls toxins out of your skin, so I guess it's to pull like out of your pores. You know how you get like blackheads, I guess, typically. So it says it pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients. Salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and sodium hyaluronate. I don't know. I'll have to give this a try. I'm sorry. This is confusing me because this is a sheet mask. I can feel it in there. I'm just curious to see if a sheet mask is going to pull things out of my pores. I don't know. I'll give it a try. I'll let you know. But yeah, it's valued at $3, so pretty affordable mask, I'd say. Let's see what this is. This is OC, Ocean Cleanser, Mineralize and Balance. You see that? OC? Is that how you said that? Never heard of this brand, so I'm not sure if they are cruelty-free. They are vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, made in California, non-toxic. So what exactly is this? Just like a face wash? Ocean cleanser? Oh. It's like a nice glass packaging. Super good sample size if this is a sample. Huh. Well, let's look at the little book and see if that will tell us more about it. So yeah, it's just a face cleanser. She's saying that it helped her. She has both dry patches and oily areas of her face, so it helped neutralize oil, but also hydrated, which seems very interesting that one thing can do both. But yeah, so I'll give it a try. Full size is $48. This is not full size, but yeah, I'll give it a go. Alright, moving right along. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is from, how do you say this? Oh, this is from Dr. Jart. But it's called the Pore Tiger Grass. I've gotten this before. They're not cruelty free, so I've never tried it, But this is a calming gel cream. Let me take a look and see what this little book is saying. Okay, so it helps with inflammation. This person also says, I don't know who, do people really have this? I don't know. She has oily spots and dry spots, and it helps with both. So I'm just confused. I only have dry skin, so maybe I'm just wishing I had combination or oily or something, but my skin just looks like sandpaper. So but apparently it helps with that and inflammation. So let me see if it has a safety seal. It doesn't have a safety seal, so I'll probably just go ahead and give this to a friend who maybe struggles with that. Not something I need to use. So well, maybe it would be something I would need to use, but it's not cruelty free, so I'm not going to use it, if that makes sense. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull out this thing. This feels kind of heavy. This is from Butanic Beauty, Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. But it does say it's cruelty-free on it. Here's the packaging. Really, really cute. I've never heard of this brand, so interested to see what's in this little box. Will say anything that's like a lip / cheek stain I typically only use on my lips because I'm not into like cream, like blushes and things like that. So it's like a nice glass, like super good, cute packaging. There is the color. That is a color I would probably only use on my lips anyway. Let me see if it has the shade. Peach Blush. That is not peach. So there it is on my finger. Like, I mean, it definitely is lighter than it looks in the pan, whatever, the jar. But I don't think it's going to show up on what I have on my lips today. Yeah, you can't see that. I already have other lips on. It does smell like a little like food, like savory food. I don't know. That's the only way I can describe it. Like, not the best like makeup scent. I don't know. But I definitely will use it. I like using balms like this or like lip tints and things like that. So that's definitely what I would use that as. Let's see a full-size value. I feel like that might be full size. The full size is $16, which I don't think is bad for a blush, but would be a lot for like a little lip tint. You know what I mean? But I guess since it's both, like, it's not the worst price I've seen. All right, one last item. So this is from Peach and Lily, which I've never heard of this brand. This is the Glass Skin Refining Serum. And luminous and translucent. Peach extract plus peptide complex. There's the packaging. Pretty cute. It does say cruelty-free, so that's good. Toxin-free, vegan. This is like, I feel like this whole thing is like natural. Or like something like that. I don't know. It just has like a very like natural beauty sort of vibe, which I'm here for. Okay, here's where I have a problem. Glassy, transparent, poreless skin is achieved when skin is well hydrated. Poreless skin is never achieved. That's only achieved when you Photoshop. Everybody has pores, everybody has skin texture, and that's okay. We're all human beings. Like, that's part of being a human. I don't get why people don't want pores. Like, they're there. You have them. They do things. They're a valuable part of your body. So that's kind of disappointing. So it says a revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, wild yam, words I can't say, and hyaluronic acid to help hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm skin. It says pat onto clean, dry skin. Oh, it's got a little pump. Let me see if I can. It doesn't smell like anything. My guess is like this is a serum. Like, that's the only way I can describe. Like, you do your toner, you do your serum, then you do a moisturizer. At least that's what I do. So I definitely will give it a try. Like I said, I'm not a fan of that like you can get rid of pores thing, because literally nothing you do will get rid of pores. You have pores, they're on your face. Whatever you have is what you were born with. So if you were born with small pores, you're lucky. If you were born with big pores, you're still lucky. Like, who cares? Okay, I'm gonna get off my little soapbox now, but that just bothers me that this says it's going to disappear your pores. I've seen minimize pores. That might be a possibility. But to make them disappear, like I said, that's Facetune Photoshop stuff. That ain't happening. So if you got pores on your face, don't be mad about it. We all got pores on our face. Some of us just use apps to make it look like we don't. Not me. I'm not one of those people. Anyways, I will step off my soapbox. That is all I have for this month's box. I thought it was actually a pretty good box. Very skincare heavy. I have oily and dry skin, and this product works on it, which is very interesting. I only have dry skin, so I can't put that to the test. But it's just interesting that so many of the products in this month's box claim that. What do you think? But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more of me telling you it's okay to have pores, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.